Okay friends, one of the first things we need to do is safely raise and support the car so the front wheels are off the ground. After you've done that, remove all 5 of your lug nuts and then remove the wheel. Now on the back side, we're going to go ahead and release this right here. Make sure you check your ABS wire just to make sure there's no corrosion. If there is, you need to make sure you take care of that. And then we're going to come right up here to the securing point. Let's pull that off of there. And then we're just going to carefully set this aside so it can't get damaged. Now let's remove our upper sway bar link nut. Just going to use my wrench on the back side so I can hold onto the stud. Let's remove this bracket and then remove the sway bar link from the strut. Now let's just come under here. We're going to do the same thing to the lower aspect of the sway bar link. There it is, friends. Okay friends, now it's going to be time to get our brand new sway bar link in there. Just going to put it in the lower aspect of the bar there, start on my nut. Now let's get the ABS bracket back on there. Go ahead and put on your nut. Snug these up. And now let's torque this to 40 foot-pounds. And now let's do the same to the bottom nut. Now let's go ahead and plug in our ABS wire. Listen for the click, give it a nice little tug, make sure it's secured. Now let's go ahead and take this, slide it right in here so it's secure. Now let's go ahead and put our wheel back up on, start all of our lug nuts, bottom them out, and then we'll torque them to 87 foot-pounds. Now with our wheel, so it's just barely touching the ground, let's go ahead and torque these.